Sing these cold wet puddles to a field that needs the rain. Sing the seasons through until the summer comes again. Sing your dampened spirits to a raging forest fire, 'cause I'd love to see you smile. Frost that's on the garden freezes you from the inside out. I wish that I could teach you how to love the cold, but really I don't know why it is I feel like dancing every time the north wind blows. But if I could, I'd sing these winter clouds into a heart that loves the snow. I'd sing this early dark up north where all the stars would show. I'd sing blues into the sky, backdrop for the sunshine, 'cause I'd love to see you smile. I'd love to see you smile.
That's my favourite.